Hello, everyone. My name is Dylan White, and I'm known as the man, the myth, the legend himself. And this is my career pathway. Let's get started. So, my dream job after earning my undergrad in psychology is to be a child care specialist and to move up from there. The job description includes the following, but is not limited to providing services to family eligible for participating in child care assistance and referral programs. Contacting vendors and families to determine that child care arrangements are appropriately meeting the needs of the family and the child. Provide documentation of case management activities in state and local automated systems. Provide one-on-one training and group workshops for providers and also refer them to other training resources. Analyzing child care issues and problems. Participate in planning, developing, and monitoring programs, standard which meets application, state regulation, and local policies and standards. Provide child care resources and referral services to residents of the Fairfax County, where I am from, in Virginia, and contact outreach activities and hold information sessions with potential child care providers and central staff. Work on special projects. All duties are performed under the supervision of the child care specialist 3. And that's just a little bit of a look at what my job would include once I get it. The education that is needed for this job, in the description it wasn't really specific. It just says any education, training, or experience that is equivalent to a graduate or a college degree at a university in either childhood education, psychology, social work, or related field. So basically just an undergrad bachelor's degree and you will be eligible for this job and some experience. This job is part of my 4-year goal, as after earning my bachelor's degree within the next 2 years, I will be searching for opportunities that will give me experience that will make me more qualified for the child care specialist. So jobs that include helping children. About a year after that, because I want about a year's experience working with children, I will be applying for my dream job as a child care specialist when the next job offer is available to me. This is my personal picture, and man, I gotta say, that's a handsome dude. Like, look at him. Man, I think it's a sin to look that good. Whew. I don't know why I need to put a personal picture, but man, whew. Blessings. Anyhow, why psychology? Well, psychology is not only an interesting subject for me, but it's the main reason, or it's one of the main subjects in my job description, as you saw earlier. Psychology is just a degree that opens a lot of doors. You're not very limited. You have opportunities, and that's really why I decided to go into the psychology aspect and to get my degree in psychology. Compared to reasons in chapter 13, yeah, there was some similarities when I looked at the reasons in chapter 13, like strong interest in the subject, prepare me for a job, but then there was some similarities that weren't so similar, like I wanted to be a professional psychologist or I wanted to figure myself out. Those, I already knew who I was. I already know like what field I want to go into, what job I want. So that didn't really help. One of the reasons in chapter 13 was it said psychology is an easy degree. And if I'm going to be honest with you and be honest with myself, that was probably my initial reason to get into psychology. But then I fell in love with the degree and I started searching jobs and, blah, blah, blah. Anyhow, that's my career plans. yeah, hope you guys enjoy.